Welcome to Redline Review. With supercar performance and executive housing comfort, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome redefines premium travel. Demanding enthusiasts who appreciate power, style, and convenience will love this cutting-edge car. Performance and exterior design Jaguar designs motorhomes. Shaped edges and aerodynamic curves minimize drag and draw attention on the road. An attractive black mesh grille with dynamic sequential indicators and adaptive LED matrix headlights dominates the front. In high-speed wind, retractable door handles keep lines neat. A class-first 5.0-liter V8 supercharged engine with 600 horsepower takes this luxurious RV to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. For maximum handling and comfort on autobahns and winding coastal roads, an adjustable air suspension system adjusts ride height and damping. All-wheel drive and torque vectoring for all-weather traction. Interior design details, a chic British getaway. The spacious inside has soft touch suede upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, natural wood veneers, and hand-finished quilted leather seats. Jaguar is famous for its craftsmanship. A modular sofa with adjustable seats may become a queen-size bed with a button in the vast living room. A full-length glass roof and panoramic side windows make the area bright and large. A movable partition wall provides privacy. Modern kitchens support gourmet cooking, built-in induction, cooktop ventilation, a convection microwave smart fridge with humidity-regulating canisters, custom cabinets with LED accent lighting, and soft close mechanics. Designer faucet, deep stainless steel sink, a 4-person folding wood table. Entertainment and connectivity. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome's immersive entertainment system enhances travel. 50-inch ultra-thin OLED screen Meridian TM helped us produce 3-dimensional surround sound. Bluetooth, Android Auto, CarPlay combining streaming, and satellite TV interior has USB-C ports and wireless charging mats. Voice-activated controls and a customizable digital cockpit simplify media, lighting, climate, and navigation. Bed and bath. The spa-inspired bathroom has heated floors, brushed nickel fixtures, a backlit vanity mirror, and an antimicrobial glass-doored rainfall shower. A dressing room with full-length mirrors and plenty wardrobe space simplifies getting dressed for any occasion. Safe driving aid. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, automated emergency braking, blind spot recognition, lane keeping assistance, and a windshield-mounted head-up display. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome combines supercar performance, vintage design, and 5-star hotel amenities. It gives every trip strength, prestige, and comfort, whether cross-country or weekend.